Welcome to today's market report.
Wall Street equities fell and US Treasuries rallied on Tuesday, a day before a likely Federal Reserve rate hike, as investors grappled with growing economic concerns after retail giant Walmart Inc.'s profit warning and signs of a looming gas supply crisis in Europe. The bid for safety also boosted the US dollar, which snapped a three-session losing streak, while the energy supply concerns weighed on the euro. European Union leaders agreed to ration gas usage after Russia's Gazprom said gas flows to Germany would fall from Wednesday to half of the current amount, already at just 40% of normal capacity. US equities fell with retail stocks after Walmart slashed its profit forecast late on Monday, as surging prices for goods and fuel spurred consumers to cut back on discretionary purchases. This week is forcing investors to be very short-term oriented. It is not allowing anybody to lift their eye up even a week or a month. It is an asset market, not just in stocks, that seems to suggest people think growth is questionable in the medium term. Investors are expecting a 75 basis point Fed rate increase on Wednesday, with markets pricing about a 10% risk of a larger hike, as well as waiting to see whether economic warning signs prompt a shift in rhetoric. The Dow Jones fell 0.71%, the S&P lost 1.15%, and the Nasdaq dropped 1.87%. The Pan-European Stock 600 index closed down 0.03%, and the MSCI gauge of stocks across the globe shed 0.92%. Adding to Tuesday's gloom was the International Monetary Fund forecast for global real GDP growth of 3.2% in 2022, down from its 3.6% forecast issued in April, with downside risks from high inflation and Russia's invasion of Ukraine potentially pushing the world economy to the brink of recession. The GBP-USD pair is auctioning in a tight range of 120.16 to 120.42. Euro-dollar recovered to 101.25.
This is today's market news. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.